What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make AI animation ads that print like crazy. And yeah, let's just start off. My name is Diego and I started off with ecom just in December and I've already hit my first 10k days, for example, and I'm now sitting at consistent 6k days. And this was using a supplement store. So now you can see like my production line here from my 3PL. And yeah, basically just watch until the end to understand and really get the whole system, how I create winner ads consistently and on scale. And yeah, to start off, let's just kill some limiting belief. Like for example, people think dropshipping doesn't work anymore or will die out or has died out. So the main thing about that is kind of ecom cannot die out. People buy stuff online every day and their consumption behavior is not seeming to change at all. If anything, people are buying more and more stuff online every single day, so you can basically profit from that by just running an e-com store yourself. Because the demand is literally huge, it would be really unreasonable to think you couldn't get a piece of that cake. And then also people will be able to tell it's AI, like the ad and everything. But let me tell you about this. It doesn't even matter if people think it is AI, because let's look at it like this. At the start, when I was quite new, the number one thing people were looking out for was the realism. But now with AI cartoon ads like the one you saw at the beginning, basically the realism doesn't matter anymore. The only thing that matters is that you can create the contrast that's actually like interesting enough that gets the people hooked. And the most important part is also the actual education of the customer is going to become the most engaging part of your video, because the animation ads are so crazy entertaining and good. And then another common misconception is that you can wait until the right time to start. And let me tell you, the best moment to start would have been yesterday. The second best moment is right now. Because every single day you wait to start, the opportunity gets a little bit weaker and the door basically closes. And the opportunity I'm just going to present to you in a second, as shown down here. But basically, it's really crazy and huge. So I'm just going to show you the Google Trends really quickly for just dropshipping in general. And as you can see, we're dropping off and the peak was in fucking 2023. And I'm going to tell you what exactly changed between 2023 and right now that creates this huge opportunity which you can profit from. So as I showed you in Google Trends, less and less people are actually starting e-commerce. So that means there comes less new competition from right now. So the bigger piece of the cake is available for you. But why is this actually important? And what is the main differentiator now to, like, let's say 6 months ago? Well, AI can literally do 99% of the attached work now. And that is because of one thing that changed really, really crazy. And that is the AI infrastructure, some shit like that. So basically, what I mean by this is now you only need one AI tool, like for example Claude, which now can literally take over all of your work. Before, AI was nice to, like, I don't know, write your school essays or some shit like that. But now you can just connect your main AI agent, whether it be ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever, directly from their apps to stuff like Shopify to get like fully automated stores, and to stuff like Polaris to get like a full automated ad pipeline, because that stuff has a thing called like connectors now. And what a connector does is basically it gives the AI full access to that certain program. So for example, once you set up a connector from Cloud to Shopify, Shopify can now see your analytics, Shopify can build your store, not Shopify, Cloud can build your store, see your analytics, etc., and do everything. When you do it with Polaris, it will go ahead, it can write your whole scripts, it has crazy ecom skills and everything. It will literally generate all the ads directly within the chat. You don't have to do any manual work anymore. And that is the great thing. That is the great shift right now, that we finally have the AI infrastructure that's needed to extract AI's full potential. And that's what I'm going to teach you in today's tutorial, how you can make full potential AI ads. And that's exactly what prints me 6k every single fucking day consistently. And that's also the main difference that took me from like 1k weeks, maybe like $300 in 3 days, etc., to those 6k days, to those 10k days even, and to having my own fucking production line set up at merely 18 years old. And it literally starts in the product research. And I'm just going to tell you one thing really quickly because I don't want to dive too deep into this, but everyone else is lying to you. If you've ever heard about like, oh, I need a blue ocean product, I need a winning product. Once I find my winner, I will print. That is the most stupidest thing I've ever heard. Those guys literally are like this and they had shriveled up brains. Now, the reason for this is the number one thing you learn in marketing is you need to sell outcomes. People buy the outcome, not the product. The product needs to solve a problem so that the customer can actually get the desired outcome. And the product is nothing more, nothing than a desired, than the mechanism to solve the problem and get to the desired outcome. Your product is basically the bridge from your customer's problem to their outcome. So you need to convince your customers that the product is solving a problem, and that's how a sale is created. So the niche then needs to have like literally two things. It should be a problem solver product, and then it should be like a really niche problem, because otherwise in paid ads you get like spiked as CPMs. Now, I'm not saying it won't work if you run like weight loss or something. It will definitely work. The only thing is you will get higher CPMs and you will have like huge loads of competition, which don't even most of the time care about being profitable on the first purchase and have a crazy backend. So yeah, if you want to be profitable on the first purchase, it's really hard for you to compete on those like ultra broad problems, etc. And now, how do I create this? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so the very first thing I personally always do is I look for references of an ad. So I'm just going to take this one, and this looks really good in my opinion. So I'm just going to screenshot it, and then I'm going to bring it into Claude. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a singing style ad, because those have crazy retention right now. So just as a little reference on what we're going to do is, for example, an ad like this.
Thyroid barely functioning, it wasn't broken, it was missing one mineral, one that over 80% of women aren't getting enough of, one that isn't showing up in food anymore because modern agriculture stripped it from the soil. The thyroid was making T4, the storage hormone.
So basically it's always like B-roll with a fuck ass AI song, like that's fucking it. So basically we're going to attach the screenshot, and then what we're going to do is go to polarisugc.com. Okay, and so basically what you're going to do is you're going to connect it to Claude. So what you're going to press is here, and then copy the URL. And that is one of the connectors I was talking about before. So the AI infrastructure is there. So you're going to go here on the plus, go to connectors, add connector, add a custom connector, copy the URL, name it Polaris. And that is fucking it. That is how easy it is now to set everything up, to connect everything, and to give Claude like full powers. And then you will need one other thing, and that is in the resources tab. So basically I'm gonna use this doc, how to create AI cartoon ads that print. And this is basically like a SOP file where you just have to copy and paste every single prompt. So I'm just gonna copy this first prompt, and you can find it on Polaris under the resources tab here. I'm just going to copy this prompt, then I'm going to paste it in. All right, guys, so for some reason, I'm really sorry, but the recording software was glitching. But basically, this is then the image that got created. Then I asked it to write the whole script which is basically just this prompt from up here, the scripting prompt. The only thing I actually added manually is because there should be a song ad. I gave it the make the script for Suno style singing ad. Then it made the script. Then I told it to shorten the script because the ad should only be around 40 seconds finished. That's what I want for this tutorial. And then also here basically it has this. It then wrote the script. I told it to generate the start frames, which is basically me just copy pasting this scene image prompt one to one. Then I just pasted it in, got the start frames. And right now I'm generating the actual videos, which have landed now exactly perfect, which was basically me copy and pasting the animate prompt. And once again, you can find this on Polaris on how to create AI cartoon ads that print, easy as that. So now the finished thing is actually we're going to generate the proper music. So now we're going to say, okay, now generate the music. And while it generates the music, I'm just going to go ahead and download the clips. And then when I have everything, I'm just going to bring it into CapCut and we'll see each other there. So, okay, as you can see, we have all the clips. They are neatly named clip 1 to 4. Then we also have the music. Yeah, we can just drag it in. 1 to 8, I meant. We can just drag it in, no problem. And then we're just going to see how long until the music actually starts playing. I think around here, the singing starts. So we're just gonna cut where the singing starts, bring it in, And yeah, basically I'm just gonna edit everything really quickly and yeah, just make, we're gonna see each other with the finished product. Easy. Okay, so that's the whole finished product and I'm gonna show it to you on screen real quick.
45 and it burns every time you sit down. Jeans in the morning, they still sting like a bruise.
And yeah, if you want to learn more about making ads, you can join the community below. It's free, but only for a limited time. We're gonna make it paid probably by next week. So join ASAP. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also book a mentoring one-on-one with me if you want to learn more about making ads and if you want to learn everything you basically need to know about, for example, Organic too. And yeah, the tool which I use, which is Polaris, is also linked below, and there you can just find it in the resources tab, the actual file I used.